What's up, future e-commerce moguls? Let's talk about everyone's favorite side hustle turned life-changing career move, selling on Amazon. We've all seen those screenshots, people making thousands, even millions, selling everyday products online. In this video, I'm breaking down the entire process step by step so you can go from product idea to your first sale. We'll cover everything. Finding profitable products, setting up your seller account, sourcing like a pro, and even marketing strategies that actually work. Let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about the foundation of your Amazon empire, the product. This is make or break, people. You can't just pick something you will sell. You need data-driven decisions. Focus on what's already selling. Let's say we want to sell a water bottle. We check Amazon and see thousands of competitors. Not good. Too much competition means smaller slices of the pie for everyone. Instead, we look for a niche within that market. Maybe collapsible water bottles for travelers. Fewer sellers but strong demand. Now you're talking. And how do you find these golden opportunities? Tools, my friends. Jungle Scout, Helium 10. These are your secret weapons. They analyze Amazon data to show you exactly what's hot and what's not. You can see how many units a product sells per month, its estimated revenue, and even the competition level. Another goldmine? Amazon's own bestsellers page. It's literally a list of what's flying off the shelves right now, updated hourly. Use it for inspiration, spot trends, and find those hidden gem niches. Solve a problem, fill a gap, and watch the sales roll in. Okay, so you found your winning product, congrats! Now it's time to build your online storefront, your Amazon seller account. This is easier than you think, I promise. Head over to Amazon Seller Central, and you'll see two options, individual and professional. If you're just testing the waters, start with an individual account. It's free, no monthly fee. But let's be real, you're not here to just dip your toes in. If you're serious about this, and I know you are, go for professional. It's $39.99 a month, but trust me, it pays for itself if you're selling more than 40 products a month. Plus, you get access to more advanced selling tools and reports. Take your time, fill everything out accurately, and get ready to launch. Alright, you've got your product idea, you've set up your Amazon seller account. Now it's time to find someone to actually make the darn thing. This is called sourcing, and it's all about finding reliable suppliers who can deliver quality products at the right price. Now you have a few options here. If you're selling physical products, a platform like Alibaba is your new best friend. Think of it as the Amazon of manufacturers, mostly based in China. You can find literally anything on there, from yoga mats to phone cases, and often at ridiculously low prices. Let's say you're selling yoga mats. You can source them from Alibaba for, say, $5 each, and sell them on Amazon for $30. If you're looking for US-based suppliers, check out Thomasnet. And if you're selling handmade or unique items, Etsy is a fantastic platform to connect with independent artists and creators. A good supplier can be the difference between a successful product launch and a logistical nightmare. Chapter 4. Craft a killer listing, making your product irresistible. Okay, you've got your product, you've got your supplier, now it's time to make it shine online. This is where your Amazon product listing comes in. Think of it as your product's online dating profile. It needs to grab attention, highlight all the best features, and make people want to swipe right or, click add to cart. The most important element, your product title. This is the first thing shoppers see, and it needs to be clear, concise, and keyword-rich. A bad title, bottle for water, best quality. Too vague, no keywords. A great title, collapsible leak-proof water bottle for travel, BPA-free and lightweight. See the difference? It tells you exactly what the product is, its benefits, and even includes relevant keywords that shoppers are searching for. Next up, your product images. High-quality photos are non-negotiable. Use a white background, multiple angles, and even lifestyle images to show your product in action. Finally, your product description. Use bullet points to highlight key features, address potential objections, and write in a way that's clear, concise, and easy to read. Alright, we're getting close to launch day. But first, you need to decide how you're actually going to get your product into the hands of your eager customers. This is called fulfillment, and you have two main options: fulfillment by Amazon or FBA, and fulfillment by merchant or FBM. Let's start with FBA, Amazon's baby. This is where you send your inventory to Amazon's warehouses and they handle everything else. Picking, packing, shipping, even customer service and returns. It's like having a personal army of warehouse workers at your beck and call. Meet Sarah. She sells those collapsible water bottles we talked about. She sends her inventory to Amazon and they handle everything. She wakes up, sees 10 new orders and doesn't have to do anything. That's the magic of FBA. The best part? Your products are eligible for Prime shipping, which is like a golden ticket to more sales. Now FBA isn't free, you'll pay storage fees and fulfillment fees, but for many sellers, the convenience and increased sales potential are well worth it. On the other hand, you have FBM, where you handle everything yourself. You store the inventory, pack orders, buy shipping labels, and deal with customer service. It's more work, sure, but it gives you more control over your branding and packaging. Let's say you're John, and you sell handmade leather wallets. You don't want to pay Amazon storage fees, and you like adding a personal touch to each order, so you choose FBM and ship directly to your customers. This is it, the moment you've been waiting for, launch day. You've got your product, your listing is optimized, you've chosen your fulfillment method, it's time to unleash your masterpiece upon the world, or at least the Amazon marketplace. But launching is just the beginning. Now, you need to get eyes on your product. Amazon PPC or pay-per-click advertising is your secret weapon here. You bid on keywords related to your product, and when someone searches for those keywords, your product appears at the top of the search results. It's a great way to get those initial sales rolling in. Another crucial element for early success? Reviews. Those little gold stars are social proof that can make or break your product. Reach out to friends, family, even influencers in your niche, and ask them to leave honest reviews. The more positive reviews you have, the more trustworthy your product appears, and the more sales you'll make. Congratulations, you've officially launched your Amazon product. Orders are coming in, you're making sales, and you're well on your way to building that e-commerce empire we talked about. But the journey doesn't stop there. Now, it's all about managing those orders, keeping your customers happy, and finding ways to scale your business even further. First things first. Inventory management. You never want to run out of stock, especially when those orders are pouring in. Keep a close eye on your inventory levels and reorder from your supplier well in advance. Once you've got a handle on inventory, it's time to start thinking about growth. One word, reinvest. Instead of pocketing all your profits, put that money back into your business. Order more inventory, test out new marketing strategies, and maybe even launch a second product. Find products that complement your existing ones and create a brand ecosystem that keeps customers coming back for more. And there you have it, a complete beginner's guide to selling on Amazon. We've covered everything from finding the perfect product to launching your listing and scaling your business. Remember, every successful Amazon seller started right where you are now, with an idea and a whole lot of hustle. Selling on Amazon can change your life. Follow these steps, and you'll be on your way to building a successful e-commerce business. Drop a comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon tips. Now go out there and crush it.